Most home service business owners searching for a QuoteIQ alternative are asking the wrong question. They ask, what software is better than QuoteIQ? But here's the truth no one tells you. The better question is, what problem am I trying to solve that QuoteIQ isn't solving? Because in 2026, there are several strong QRM options. But the right alternative depends on whether you need better operations, more scheduling tools, stronger team management, or a different approach to customer communication. In this video, you'll learn the best QuoteIQ alternatives, what each platform does best, and how to choose the right one for your business. Let's get straight into it. First, let's quickly understand what makes QuoteIQ different. QuoteIQ is known for helping home service businesses improve customer engagement. It focuses heavily on review generation, follow-up automation, text message communication, and customer retention. For many businesses, that's valuable because keeping existing customers is often cheaper than constantly finding new ones. But here's the problem. Not every business has customer retention as its biggest challenge. Some businesses struggle more with scheduling, dispatching, quoting, and managing crews. That's where alternatives like Jobber come into the picture. Jobber is one of the most popular home service management platforms available today. It focuses on operational efficiency, scheduling jobs, sending estimates, managing teams, tracking customers, and collecting payments are all handled within one system. For example, imagine John owns a landscaping company with several employees. His biggest challenge isn't getting customers. It's keeping jobs organized and making sure crews stay productive. For that type of business, Jobber may provide more value. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some businesses want both operational tools and customer-facing features. That's where HouseCall Pro often enters the conversation. HouseCall Pro combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, online booking, customer communication, and payment collection into a single platform. Imagine Alex owns an HVAC company. He wants efficient operations while also providing a smooth customer experience. HouseCall Pro is often attractive because it balances both needs. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide which platform is right for you. But first, here's what most people get wrong. This is where most people fail. They compare software based on feature lists instead of identifying their biggest bottleneck. If your business is already generating leads but struggles with operations, Jobber may be a stronger alternative. If you need a blend of operations and customer communication, HouseCall Pro could be the better fit. If customer retention, follow-ups, and review generation are still your main priorities, staying with a marketing-focused platform may actually make more sense. The goal isn't finding the most popular CRM. The goal is finding the CRM that solves your biggest problem. So what's the best QuoteIQ alternative in 2026? For operational management, Jobber remains one of the strongest options. For businesses looking for a balanced all-in-one solution, HouseCall Pro is often a top contender. The right answer depends entirely on where your business needs the most help today. Now you have a simple framework to make that decision with confidence. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service business content, and let me know in the comments which CRM you're considering and what challenge you're trying to solve.